Hi everybody, so I just want to do a quick little video. We have three absolutely gorgeous baby red-fronted macaws here at the store, and I just thought it would be kind of fun to do a little video. We actually have an adult, and a lot of people that come in ask why the red fronts don't have red fronts. So that coloration does come in with time. So we do have little Hickory over here. Hickory is a rescue that my mom and I actually took in just over 10 years ago. He's a very social bird. He loves to talk, very playful. So just so you guys could get a chance to see how gorgeous the species is once they are fully colored as adults. And they're actually typically very good talkers. They can make wonderful companions. So if anybody wanted some more information about this species, feel free to give us a call.